3/4.
Said if I wasn't such a powder, if my thinking wasn't clouded, Jesus, I'd be stoked. Yeah.
And we just finished the drum track. 3 hours hard out. Chris has just finished his bass tracks. Chris, what do you want to say about that, mate? All right.
I was looking forward to a real nice beer, mate, but the drummer chose something that I'm not really sure.
Will you show us where it is? What are you talking about?
Ranfurly.
Now,
it looks good. It looks nice.
And what is it? 20% more or something? 40%
Well,
more?
it's a giant 440ml can, and it's brewed since 1987, so it's a bit of a new beer. But I think it's a giant can of
shit.
Shit. Yeah, basically.
And what do we buy?
Mega shit piss.
We're that rich that we can buy
For $9, mate.
for $9 we can get a dozen beers, and we're allowed how many beers each?
I think, seeing as there's 3 of us, I vote that we don't let Ian buy the beer anymore.
Yeah.
You can be in charge of buying the spirits.
Yeah. Okay. Boss, are you happy with that?
Yeah, bro.
What do you reckon it tastes like, man?
Well, I'm still trying to get that Steinies out of my system, so I really can't taste much at the moment, bro.
This is the culprit. We just had a discussion in our room about your beer.
It's a good drop, sounds good.
And there's 3 of us, and we all decided that you're not allowed to buy beer ever again. That you are only allowed to buy spirits.
Look, bro, 40% free.
Yeah, but who cares?
I get pizza, boys. Hawaii.
I thought we said we could get a box or something.
Thanks very much. That's a box, bro.
Yes, fuck you.